Hare Kṛṣṇa, Namaste. Chapter 4, which is entitled as Jnana Yoga, Sloka 24. Brahmārpaṇaṁ havir, brahmagnau brahmaṇā hutam, brahmaiva tena gantavyaṁ, brahma-karma-samādhinā. A lot of Brahma Shabdam has been used here. What we have seen so far is to see the karma, the activities, the action in the form of jnana, jnanakara, in the form of jnana. But now what is being said is the same thing to be seen in a different angle, in a viewpoint. To see things that is karma in the form of jnana. Now, not only the karma, but those things which is part of karma, involved in karma, also as jnana. The fire, the ghee, the doer, the ladle, anything as brahmātmakam means as God, Brahman. That is, Brahman, God is present in everything, Sarvam Brahman. He is present in speaker, hearer. Not only is present in the speaker, he is also present in the speech. He is not only present in the hearer, he is also present in the sound that's been heard. He is present in all those things. Right now we are using this instrument to record. So he is present in the recorder. He is present in the computer. He is present in the fire. He is present in the ladle that's used in the fire. Anything for that matter. All this is Brahman. As Brahman is a super soul within all of them. And everything is the Supreme Lord's energy. Brahmārpaṇaṁ havir, brahmagnau brahmaṇā hutam, brahmaiva tena gantavyaṁ, brahma-karma-samādhinā. So, Brahma means the spiritual in nature, arpanam, contribution, brahmārpaṇaṁ, with Brahman as the instrument used for oblation. Brahma havir, the oblation which is Brahman, whatever that is being offered into the fire, whatever is being offered, that is all also Brahman. Brahmagnau, the fire which consumes whatever is being offered, is also Brahman. Brahmaṇā, the performer, the priest, is also Brahman. Hutam, that which is being offered, brahmaiva, that is also Brahman. Tena, by him who does this yoga, karma yoga, that is tena, gantavyaṁ, to be reached, the goal to be attained. The goal to attain is atma darshana, seeing the self. Brahma-karma-samādhinā, who is contemplating on Brahma as a sacrifice. So, it's not confusing. It might appear to be confusing, this particular sloka, because many times Brahma Shabdam has been used, and fire, sacrifice, etc. So, we'll see this. The instrument used, such as the ladle, the spoons, are Brahman. The oblation is Brahman. The fire is Brahman. the agent of the homa is Brahman. So, he who contemplates on all actions in relation to Brahman, the Supreme Lord, he can attain self-realization. Brahman. He can attain Brahman. Brahman realization. So, the Supreme Lord is present within anything and everything. He is the Antaratma in the butter that has been offered into the fire sacrifice. The instrument that is being used to take the butter, the spoon, the ladle, Brahman is the Antaratma of that spoon. When the butter with the ladle is taken and poured into the fire, the Agni, the Antaratma of the fire is Brahman. The person who is pouring into this one, whoever is pouring into this one, the Antaratma within that person is Brahman. Therefore, Brahma gantavyaṁ, the person who understands and sees not only the action, but also those things which is involved in everything, in this knowledge, that person will be able to attain the Atma Darshana, will be able to see things, that everything is Kṛṣṇa's energy. Kṛṣṇa, the Antaratma, Super Soul, present in everything, whether it is living or non-living entities, it really doesn't matter. People usually have an idea that Paramatma is present only in the living entities. He is present everywhere. Those things can be seen, cannot be seen. Those things which moves, which doesn't move. He is present everywhere. So one starts seeing everything as Kṛṣṇa. Now, Arpanam, wherein the Sloka says Arpanam, this term refers to the ladle and other instrument used in a homa to pour oblation into the fire. Brahmārpaṇaṁ is one single word. Brahmārpaṇaṁ brahma-havihi. So he sees everything as Kṛṣṇa's. The instrument, the ghee, and other material used as offering, the fire, place that is being used to do the sacrifice, the sacrificer himself, all these are only Brahman. So Kṛṣṇa also later in the 9th chapter, he will explain that he is a sacrifice. Also the materials used in the oblation is also him, he himself. So, how this is related to Arjuna? In what context? We spoke about, before we spoke, we learned that the action has to be seen as in the proper knowledge. Now, Kṛṣṇa all of a sudden speaks about fire, sacrifice, butter, the brahmaṇā, these things. How is this going to be related to Arjuna in any way? Or how is it going to be related to us who was reading Bhagavad Gita? Brahmārpaṇaṁ brahma havir, brahmagnau brahmaṇā hutam, brahmaiva tena gantavyaṁ, brahma-karma-samādhinā. Namaste. Hare Kṛṣṇa.